Knowing your numbers is how you grow. EventPassHero rolls every event into clear, detailed reports, and they land in your inbox automatically every day. Let's open reports. At the very top, your revenue trend across the last 24 months. This year plotted against last year with your exact year-over-year change. You can see momentum at a glance, whether you're growing, flat, or where you need to push harder. This is your high-level health check for the whole organization. Scroll down and every event you've run is ranked in one table: gross revenue, net revenue, amount refunded, total orders, tickets sold, and sell-through percentage. This tells you exactly which events are pulling their weight, which ones are your best performers, and where there's room to grow. No more guessing or piecing it together from separate spreadsheets. Keep scrolling and you hit your hero code leaderboard. Every seller ranked by orders and dollars driven across all your events. You can see at a glance who your top performers are and how much revenue each one has contributed to your organization. Perfect for recognizing your best ambassadors and deciding who to activate for your next event. Here's something powerful. These reports also arrive in your inbox every single day, automatically, so you always have yesterday's numbers without logging in. And when you need to go deeper, every view exports to a detailed spreadsheet. Choose exactly the columns you want, download the file, and use it for your own analytics or bank reconciliation. Your accountant will love you. And when a refund comes in, it's completely painless. Open any event's cancellations list. Every refunded order is right here with the date, the amount, and the status. Select an order, choose a reason, and EventPassHero processes the Stripe refund automatically. No spreadsheets, no back and forth with your bank, no manual steps. It's done. EventPassHero, built for organizations that move the community.